We're here at my in-laws' house here in Nakhon Ratchasima, Korat. My father-in-law and my wife, Somsub here making breakfast.
Fish sauce.
He's got chili and garlic here. He's smashing.
ตำพริกกะปิตำพริกกะปิ
He's making a dipping sauce. What is this called in Thai?
Eggplant.
Yeah?
Thai eggplant. เด็กพวกกินcurries อ่ะ
What is it called? What is the Thai name?
มะเขือ
มะเขือ
มะเขือเปราะ
So she already cut the long bean,
Yeah.
Thai pumpkin.
Yeah.
What is this? Oh, eggplant.
Eggplant. This is the Gaeng Tai Pla, the chili. They have fish everything inside. They put ปลาทู They put fish inside and turmeric. They smash ginger, turmeric, and garlic.
Paste. Let me go give it a smell here.
Yeah, you smell turmeric?
Oh yeah,
Fresh
smells
turmeric.
really good. You can smell all the fresh
Yeah,
herbs.
fresh herb.
Yep.
This is
So we're gonna let that boil.
boil it.
Okay, so she's
Cutting the bamboo.
getting started cutting the bamboo.
Bamboo.
This is the fresh bamboo. Yep, fresh bamboo roots. Okay, so this is the batu, Thai mackerel. Caught wild. Lots of omega-3, very oily fish, delicious.
Mega
So the head, you throw everything in there except the bones. Well, try your best to get the bones out, but
Wait for the fish salt melt, yeah. Cooking or can break spicy. Look good, yeah.
yeah, it smells really good. Got a little bit of fish sauce. Yeah, look at all that vegetables in there. Yummy. How's it?
Good.
The first one.
Okay, so we're gonna let it boil. Okay, so this is the kaffir lime leaves. Okay, so she's gonna add this in. It's been about 10 minutes.
ใบมะกรูด
Yeah, that's a nice citrus flavor.
I show the seed. What's it? The seed this tree. Get to this. Look good, look. Right? Yummy.
So adding a little more.
Taste it.
Good.
Fish. The mineral from fish taste good, yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And mixed with chili and vegetable. So yummy.
So it's been about 30 minutes actually. Let's go check out the soup. Oh, that smells amazing.
Look at the soup now. Come to what's it? The mineral, yeah.
Of course, if you simmer it longer, everything kind of marries together and, it tastes better. It's like eating a stew the next day, right? But we're hungry, we're gonna eat. But it smells amazing.
แกงไตปลา
Yeah.
Yellow because of turmeric.
Turmeric, yeah.
Yeah.
So this is the batu, Thai mackerel,
Eggplant.
bamboo shoots, kaffir lime leaf, and a chili sauce, yeah?
Pumpkin.
Pumpkin.
Yeah.
So what they do is you just kind of
Yeah.
pour it on.
Spicy, don't put too much. Taste first.
Southern food is really spicy. Southern Thai food.
Mix. They make chili with the kidney fish.
For the fish chili.
Yes.
Yeah. I love fresh bamboo. The pumpkin is really good. Spicy.
A lot of herb.
It's a herb. Well, I hope you enjoyed the Somsub cooking. A lot more cooking videos to come. Forget to subscribe, give us a thumbs up. See you guys in the next video.
This is the chili from south in Thailand. They have south here and northeast. This is from south. Everything they put turmeric, different taste turmeric and chili.